Home entertainment has just stepped up a notch with the BenQ HT4550i 4K HDR LED Smart Projector. This is more than a projector. It's a full cinematic experience designed to transform your living room into a movie theater. From sharp visuals to precise colors and seamless smart functionality, this projector brings everything you want from a high-end home theater system in a single, sleek package. At the heart of this device is true 4K resolution, offering 8.3 million distinct pixels for incredible detail and sharpness. Movies, series, and games look lifelike, with textures and depth that make every frame pop. Coupled with 3,200 lumens brightness, the HT4550i maintains vibrant visuals even in rooms with ambient light, so you're not restricted to late-night viewing. The LED light engine is a game-changer here. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, LEDs last longer, stay consistently bright, and maintain color accuracy over years of use. BenQ claims a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. That's decades of high-quality projection before you ever need a replacement. It's energy efficient and designed to give you long-term value without worrying about fading visuals. Color performance is exceptional. Covering 100% of the DCI P3 color space, this projector delivers cinema-grade color reproduction. Combined with HDR10 Plus, HDR10, and HLG support, the HT4550i brings striking contrast, deep blacks, and realistic highlights. Skin tones, nature scenes, and intricate textures appear as the creators intended, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. Audio doesn't fall short either. Built-in speakers with Dolby Digital Plus provide clear and balanced sound that complements the visuals. While they're suitable for everyday watching, pairing the projector with a dedicated soundbar or home theater system takes your audio experience to cinematic levels, with powerful bass and rich dynamics that fill the room. Smart features make the HT4550i a versatile entertainment hub. With Android TV built in, streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more are ready to go without additional devices. Chromecast support allows effortless wireless casting from smartphones or tablets, making it easy to share content. The interface is responsive, smooth, and simple to navigate, so the entire system feels intuitive from day one. Design-wise, the projector combines elegance with practicality. Its matte finish, minimalist build, and strategically placed vents make it look premium without standing out unnecessarily. The lens ensures uniform sharpness across the screen, delivering edge-to-edge clarity with minimal distortion. Installation is flexible thanks to vertical and horizontal lens shift, 1.6x zoom, and keystone correction. Ceiling mounts, tables, or shelves, the projector adapts to your space easily, allowing you to position the screen exactly how you want without stress. Overall, the BenQ HT4550i redefines home theater performance. It's perfect for movie buffs, gamers, and streaming enthusiasts who want top-tier visuals, precise colors, and reliable long-term performance. With 4K HDR clarity, robust LED longevity, smart Android TV functionality, and cinematic sound options, this projector brings the ultimate theater experience right to your home. If you're looking to upgrade your entertainment setup, this is one of the most complete and impressive projectors currently available. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Elevate your movie nights, gaming sessions, and streaming marathons with a device built for immersive enjoyment.